Meaning of Frank Sinatra.
Frank Sinatra.
Frank Sinatra.
Frank Sinatra.
Frank Sinatra. Frank Sinatra was an iconic American singer, actor and entertainer who rose to fame in the 1940s. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest vocalists of the 20th century, and his music has had a lasting impact on popular culture. Sinatra's signature style combines smooth vocals with impeccable phrasing, making him a beloved performer for generations. He also had a successful career in film and television, appearing in over 50 movies and winning several awards. Sinatra's influence on music and entertainment is still felt today, decades after his passing in 1998.